2017 Ford Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster, compass, security system, heated steering wheel, trip computer, heated front seats, overhead console. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.